Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will learn that how to write any type of text in AutoCAD workspace. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. To write any type of text in AutoCAD, so in the home tab, when you click on the home tab, then in the annotation tools of category, there is one tool where it is written the text. So if you click on the text, so you will be directed to write the text. So if you click on this drop down button or drop down menu, so there are two options in the text. One is the multi-line text and the another one is single line text. So in multi-line, so simply you can write your text in multiple lines, but in a single line option of text, you can write any type of text in a single line. So first we will discuss the multi-line text. So by clicking on the multi-line option, multi-line text option, so as you can see that in the command line, it is required to for the m text means multi-line text to specify the first corner. So we specify the first corner. So this is the first corner. Now in the command line, the make multi-line text requires to specify the opposite corner or to specify with the help of height, justify line spacing, rotation, style, width. So we simply click on the opposite corner. So this is the opposite corner. Now this is the text window where you can now write your desired text. So we write as the structural drawing for B, and then we enter. So we write in the next line is the structural drawing for slab, and in the third line we write the drawing for foundation, and it is also the structural drawing. So now we click anywhere in the working space, so the text will finish the text command. So now you can see that if we close the cursor and just touch the text, so it gets like to select as a whole. So this is the multi-line text. So if you click on any line, so all the lines will be selected, and you can change the size from here. Once you now you are in the home tab, and just you select the text, open to the editing, so this text editor window will open automatically, and it provides these different types of tools which are associated with the text. So you can change by selecting the text. So to select the text, You can now change the size from 10 to 20 feet or any other. You can change or bold. You can make to write the text in italic form, and you can change the upper or lower case. So it depends on the requirements, so you can play with the text. So now this was all about the writing of text in AutoCAD by multi-line text options. So now the second one is single line text. In the single line, when you click on the single line, now you can see in the command line that the text it requires to that specify to start the point of text, so are justify style. So we click here, and now then in the command line it required to specify the height, so it is 10 feet by in taken from the previous, so we click on OK. Now it required to specify the rotation angle, so we keep it 0. Now you can write your text. You can write the R architectural drawing for beam, and now when you enter, so another line will start, and we name as the drawing for column. And if we want to write some other text in the another line, so we will click on enter, so we can write the foundation drawing or foundation drawing, and it is the architecture. So now when you click outside the text, so now you when you click on this here, so all the text is in a single line. So if we click here, so only this line will be selected. In case of multi-line text, so if we click here, so all the text in the different lines will be selected at the same time, where in the single line text only that line will be selected. So this is the main difference between single line and multi-line text. And you can change the size of the text by selecting and you can change the you can edit the text. So this was all about the uh, writing of text in AutoCAD. So now if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.